If you still believe that you can't build muscle with bodyweight exercises, I have some news for you, my friend. And the exercises that we go through today are not only accessible for everyone at all fitness levels, but they also have a proven track record of piling on muscle in all the places that we love. So let's dive straight into it with exercise number 5, the bodyweight face pull. Let's be honest, poor posture affects most of us. In fact, most of us probably just adjusted our posture right now. When it comes to building muscle, how we hold our posture can be the difference between this and this. And the bodyweight face pull not only helps with the scapular external rotation that better supports with us showing off the muscles that we already have, but also creates the conditions that will allow for us to have stronger shoulders in support of our other lifts. Number 4, inverted rows. Inverted rows, aka bodyweight rows, aka Australian pull-ups.
Good day, mate.
If you want to build your mid-back, then this exercise is for you. And because of how easily scalable it is, anybody at any fitness level can do them. Inverted rows work the traps, rhomboids, rear delts and biceps in ways that truly fill out the frame for that V-taper aesthetic, as well as being the precursor to more challenging exercises. Number 3, Nordics. Think you can't get strong legs with bodyweight alone? Guess again. This is the bodyweight answer to the leg curl and is not only a game changer for the hamstrings, but for the whole posterior chain. Bands will likely be needed in support of Nordics, and be sure to cushion the knees and anchor the feet. But just like another amazing exercise for the hamstrings, deadlifts, it's the lowering phase that does the business with Nordics. Hours of placid sitting will atrophy the hamstrings, making them weak and more susceptible to injury. Lengthening the hammies under load not only makes them stronger, but allows for the sort of mobility that unlocks other, more advanced exercises. Number 2, dips. If you want to build muscle but you don't do dips, you're taking a massive weapon out of your arsenal. Muscles tend to grow best with exercises where the hardest part of the exercise is also the part of the exercise where the muscles worked are in the most lengthened position. The dip achieves this for the pectorals, anterior delts and the triceps all in one go. And when you have all of these huge muscles being placed in an environment that encourages growth, hypertrophy becomes easy. If you can't do dips, we can break out the bands. They've got your back and make this amazing exercise even more accessible. Number 1, pike push-ups. Overhead pressing is the key to ridiculous pushing strength and the main reason why bodyweight athletes tend to have such built shoulders. But lifting our hands over our head is a movement pattern that is missing from so many of our lives, and the pike push-up is here to fix that. Arguably the most humbling exercise in this list, pike push-ups force us to work on so many aspects of our athletic abilities. Do we have the mobility to hinge at the hips? Can we lift our arms overhead without excessively arching the spine? Do we have the shoulder strength to press our body weight overhead? Couple all of this to the fact that this exercise promotes applicable strength to various advanced exercises and bodyweight skills while adding conditioning to the shoulders, and we have a phenomenal movement here. Regardless of how we train typically, adding exercises that allow for better command of our own body weight will always add value. And these exercises give us a huge bang for our buck. So if you want to find out more about how to use bodyweight exercises to build muscle, then check out this video right here.